Welcome back to Wander Wheels, your go-to channel for the latest, most thrilling rides in the world of two-wheels. Today we've got something special for you, an exclusive first look at the VortexBlaze 700. Let's dive into what makes this beast stand out from the crowd. Just take a look at this masterpiece. The VortexBlaze 700 is a head-turner with its sharp aerodynamic design, futuristic LED headlight, and sleek bodywork. This bike screams power and style from every angle. At the heart of the VortexBlaze 700 lies a 700cc liquid-cooled engine that delivers a stunning 90 horsepower, giving you plenty of grunt for both the streets and the open road. This bike is built for riders who crave power, but also demand smooth handling. As soon as you twist that throttle, you can feel the power surge through you. The acceleration is crisp, with responsive handling that makes cornering a dream. But it's not just about raw power. The VortexBlaze 700 is packed with cutting-edge tech, including a fully digital TFT display that keeps you updated on everything from speed to fuel efficiency. It also comes equipped with multiple riding modes, ABS, and traction control, ensuring you stay in control no matter what the road throws at you. Comfort isn't compromised either. The bike's upright riding position, coupled with a cushioned seat and adjustable suspension, makes long rides effortless. Whether you're commuting through the city or heading out for a weekend ride, the VortexBlaze 700 keeps you comfortable and in control. So what's the cost of all this performance and style? The VortexBlaze 700 is expected to come in at around $12,000, making it competitive with other bikes in its class. But with its unique design, top-tier performance, and high-tech features, this bike offers a serious bang for your buck. Whether you're a seasoned rider or someone looking for a powerful yet manageable bike, the VortexBlaze 700 is a worthy contender. It blends style, technology, and performance into one slick package. It's definitely a bike that lives up to its name, blazing through roads with Vortex-like precision. And that's it for today's review. If you liked what you saw, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Wander Wheels for more exciting bike reviews. And drop a comment below. What do you think of the VortexBlaze 700? Would you take it for a spin? Stay tuned, because we've got more awesome rides coming your way. Until next time, ride safe, ride smart, and keep those wheels turning. Outro fades out.